unforgettable. You have natural leadership qualities. You're very hardworking. You put your life and soul into whatever it is that you do. You have a very fatherly energy, even if you're feminine listening to this, because you are a doer. You can outwork many. People are astonished by your stamina. They may not say that to you though, but people are astonished by your stamina. You can do the job of 10 people, and you do it so effortlessly, like literally. And you're very grounded and stable and humble, and you have this regal quality about you. You know, someone that should be in a position of power, is in a position of power, or will be in this lifetime in a position of power. People look up to you. You know, there is an air of importance in regards to you. Some of you could be fathers. Some of you could be bosses. Some of you could be managers, CEOs. And you take your job extremely seriously. Very hardworking. You know, you're very self-sufficient. You are a self-starter. Some of you started your own business with little to nothing, with no backing from your family or anyone. And you are extremely successful, or you will be in this life. You are a testament to many that through sheer determination, hard work, self-belief, you can achieve anything. And what's so beautiful about you also is that you're so humble and graceful, relatable, charming, funny, charismatic, attractive. That helps. But you don't rely on your charm. You don't take any shortcuts, and you didn't take any shortcuts to get where you want to go. You had to go through the most, and you could still be going through a lot. But you don't allow whatever you are going through to stop you from achieving your goals or to hurt others. And when you're not around, people yearn for your energy. People miss you. You bring a lot of healing. You have that masculine and feminine quality, very in tuned and very balanced. People feel safe whenever they are around you. People know that they are in good company. People feel like they are going to be protected. You've got this protective energy. It's like you're an old soul. Like people may have said that to you when you were younger, but you make people feel you've got a cozy energy. And when you're not around, people feel cold. Your energy is warm and fuzzy, and it's like marshmallows and clouds. It's like hot chocolate. People feel as if they are safe whenever they are around you, because you're not a manipulator. And people feel as if they can trust you. People feel included. You don't make others feel isolated. You make everyone feel chosen, because you choose yourself, and you retain a lot of inner peace. And because you have a lot of inner peace, everyone around you feels that sense of ease and peace. You exude love. You make work fun. You don't make work boring. So those that work with you, they love working with you because you're a straight up vibe. Work doesn't feel like work when you are around. If you are in a position of power, you're not your average boss. You're like a friend to many. But you are mature. But you have a balance between your playful side and your serious side. And you bring out these qualities in others. And when you're gone, or when you're not around, you're truly missed. Your energy is unforgettable. You are truly unforgettable. You're one of the best.